Well, I went to take my truck out today, and as it gets cold up here in the snow country, my baby decided to start misfiring. So I had to cancel all my plans for the day, which is fine. She's in the garage getting some much needed attention, obviously. I was poking around trying to figure out what was wrong with it, and I think I might have found the problem. Check this out. I'm going down here. Do you see that? That light bulb is busted. All I have to do now is figure out which cylinder that light bulb came from, and then a trip to Walmart, and we are going to be back on the road. I am stoked, man. This is great news. I thought I was going to have to replace a coil or something.